Wait, 5 apprentices settled on the same day and each walked away with minimum of 20 million naira. This isn't a movie. This isn't luck. This is the raw power of the Igbo apprenticeship system, where loyalty turns into lifelong wealth overnight. In one moment, five Umu Odibo went from learning under a master to becoming millionaires with capital bigger than most people's lifetime savings. 20 million, 20 million, 21 million, 22 million, 23 million. He was just reeling out the amount. And do you know the interesting thing? It is not really about the money he gave them. He is a lifetime mentor. He gives up his network also for them. So this one boy is not just being settled with money. He is being settled with a network of customers, a network chain of suppliers as well. This is the beauty of the Igbo apprenticeship system that we have been discussing this week on the channel.